Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet winter hat designs model. Let's start. A crochet winter hat is a handmade hat created using a crochet hook and yarn, designed to keep your head warm during cold weather. These hats come in various styles including beanies, slouchy hats, and ear fluff hats. They can be made with different types of yarn, such as wool, acrylic, or blended fibers, to provide warmth and comfort. Many crochet winter hats feature textured stitches, pom-poms, or decorative patterns to add a stylish touch. Designing a crochet winter hat requires choosing the right materials, stitch patterns, and structure for warmer comfort and style. Here are some tips to help you create a great design. First, choose the right yarn and hook yarn. Use warm, soft yarns like wool, acrylic, or wool blend. Bulky or super bulky yarns make warmer hats. Hook size. Match the hook size to the yarn width for the right tension and fabric density. A smaller hook creates a denser, warmer fabric. Select a hat style beanies, stark and fitted, great for everyday wear. Slouchy hat, more relaxed, stylish and comfortable. A fluff hat provides extra warmth by covering the ears. Trimmed hat adds extra style and structure. Use warm and stretchy stitches, thermal stitch for front post, back post stitches for extra warmth and thickness. Ribbing, slip stitch or half double crochet in the third loops. Add stitch for a snug fit. Closed stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, prevents wind from passing through. Ensure a good fit, measure the head circumference. Use a size chart to measure directly. The hat should be slightly smaller than the head circumference to allow stress. Start with a ribbed band or magic circle. A ribbed band gives stress, while a magic circle helps create a seamless top. Add decorative and functional elements, pom-pom or tassels, add a fun touch. Colored work, stripes, florals, or tapestry crochet create unique patterns. Lining, fleece or busted yarn adds extra warmth, especially for very cold weather. Twist and adjust. Try hats on as you go to ensure proper fit and comfort. Check the elasticity and warmth before finishing. Here are some additional tips for designing a crochet winter hat. Pick the right construction method. Top down, start with a magic circle and creases outward. This method allows flexibility in size and shaping. Bottom up, start with a ribbed band and work upward. This gives a snugger fit. Add panels, crochet a rectangle and seams it together for a simple design. Adjust for different sizes, baby, child, and adult sizes using a standard head size chart to adjust the number of stitches and shows accordingly. Add elasticity, ribbing or stretchy pieces like front post, back post, double crochet help accommodate different height sizes. Consider double layers for extra warmth. Lancers add the flames or crochet lining inside for maximum warmth. Double brim, fold over brims, add extra insulation around the ears. Experiment with textures, cable crochet. Create this and intricate knitted like textures. Puff stitches or bubbles add dimensions and warmth. Basket weave or waffle stitch provides a thick, textured look. Play with color and patterns, color blocking. Use contrasting colors for a trendy look. Pair else or tapestry crochet create intricate patterns. Gradient or ombre yarn gives a seamless color change effect. Ensures the comfortable finish. Avoid stretchy yarns to soft, non-HC fibers for comfort. Weave in ends securely. Use a yarn needle to secure loose ends for durability. Add a tag or label. A small leather or fabric tag can give a professional touch. A crochet winter hat is a handmade hat created using a crochet hook and yarn, designed to keep your head warm during cold weather. These hats come in various styles including beanies, hats, and air fluff hats. They can be made with different types of yarn such as wool, acrylic, or blended fibers. To provide warmth and comfort, many crochet winter hats feature textured stitches, pom-poms, or decorative patterns to add a stylish touch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel if you find it useful.